The wonderful world of plants, from roots to leaves. Introduction. Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to our educational program all about plants. These incredible organisms are vital to life on Earth, providing us with oxygen, food, and so much more. Today, we'll explore the fascinating cellular structure of plants, how they use photosynthesis to grow, how their roots absorb nutrients from the ground, and other amazing facts about the plant kingdom. Segment 1. The cellular structure of plants. Plants are made up of specialized cells that differ from animal cells in several important ways. Cell wall. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose, which provides structure and support, allowing plants to stand upright. Chloroplasts. These are the powerhouses of plant cells, containing chlorophyll that captures light energy for photosynthesis. Vacuoles. Large central vacuoles store water, nutrients, and waste products, helping maintain cell pressure and structure. Plasma membrane and cytoplasm. These structures control the movement of substances in and out of the cell and house the cell's internal components. Segment 2. Photosynthesis. The magic of plant growth. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy, producing the food they need to grow. Light absorption. Chlorophyll in the chloroplasts absorbs sunlight, primarily in the blue and red wavelengths. Water and carbon dioxide intake. Plants take in water through their roots and carbon dioxide through small openings in their leaves called stomata. Chemical reaction. Using light energy, plants convert water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2, into glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen, O2. The chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6 2 plus 6 2 plus 6 12 6 plus 6 2. Energy storage. The glucose produced is used as energy for growth and stored in various parts of the plant, such as roots, stems, and leaves. Segment 3. Roots. The nutrient absorbers. Roots play a crucial role in a plant's survival and growth by absorbing water and nutrients from the soil. Root structure. Roots have several layers, including the epidermis, cortex, and vascular tissues. Root hairs extend from the epidermis, increasing surface area for absorption. Nutrient uptake. Roots absorb essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with water, which are then transported to other parts of the plant through the vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. Anchorage and storage. Roots anchor the plant firmly in the soil and can also store food and nutrients for future use. Segment 4. Other fascinating plant facts. Plants are full of surprises and amazing adaptations. Respiration. Just like animals, plants undergo respiration, using oxygen to break down glucose for energy. This process occurs in the mitochondria of plant cells. Adaptations. Plants have evolved various adaptations to survive in different environments. For example, cacti store water in their thick stems to survive in arid deserts, while aquatic plants have air-filled tissues to stay afloat in water. Reproduction. Plants reproduce in diverse ways, including through seeds, spores, and vegetative propagation. Flowering plants use colorful blooms to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Symbiosis. Many plants form symbiotic relationships with fungi, mycorrhizae, and bacteria, enhancing nutrient uptake and nitrogen fixation. Conclusion. Plants are incredible organisms that play a vital role in our ecosystems. By understanding their cellular structure, photosynthesis, root systems, and fascinating adaptations, we gain a deeper appreciation for the green world around us. Closing remarks. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonderful world of plants. Next time you see a tree, a flower, or even a blade of grass, remember the complex and beautiful processes at work. Keep exploring and stay curious. Plants are truly fascinating organisms. Here are some intriguing facts about them. Oldest living organism. The oldest known living plant is a bristlecone pine tree called Methuselah, located in California's White Mountains. It is over 4,800 years old. Giant sequoias. The giant sequoias are among the largest living organisms on Earth by volume. They can grow to be over 300 feet tall and have trunks that measure more than 25 feet in diameter. Carnivorous plants. Some plants, like the Venus flytrap and pitcher plants, are carnivorous. They have evolved to trap and digest insects and other small animals to supplement their nutrient intake, especially in nutrient-poor environments. Titan arum. Also known as the corpse flower, the Titan arum produces one of the largest and smelliest blooms in the plant kingdom. The odor is often compared to rotting flesh, which attracts pollinators like flies and beetles. Photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight to produce their own food through photosynthesis, a process that converts light energy, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. This process is vital for life on Earth as it provides oxygen and forms the base of the food chain. Rapid growth. Bamboo is one of the fastest-growing plants in the world. Some species can grow up to 35 inches, 91 centimeters, in a single day. Communication. Plants have been found to communicate with each other through chemical signals. For example, when attacked by herbivores, some plants release chemicals to warn nearby plants, which then activate their own defense mechanisms. Epiphytes. These are plants that grow on other plants without taking nutrients from them. Orchids, ferns, and bromeliads are common epiphytes found in tropical rainforests. Sensitive plants. The Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plant or touch-me-not, has leaves that fold up when touched or shaken, a defense mechanism against predators. Symbiosis. Many plants form symbiotic relationships with fungi and bacteria. For instance, mycorrhizal fungi form associations with plant roots, helping them absorb nutrients more efficiently, while bacteria in the roots of legumes fix nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil. Extreme conditions. Some plants have adapted to survive in extreme environments. For example, the Arctic poppy can thrive in the freezing temperatures of the Arctic, while succulents like cacti can store water to survive in arid deserts. Seed dispersal. Plants have developed various methods to disperse their seeds, including wind, water, animals, and even explosive mechanisms. For example, the seeds of the dandelion are carried away by the wind, while the seeds of the coconut can float in water. Plants are incredibly diverse and have evolved an array of adaptations to thrive in different environments. They play essential roles in ecosystems and human life, making them endlessly fascinating to study and appreciate.